Hi there. Welcome to our channel, where we are dedicated to providing the most comprehensive Excel learning resources. If you are encountering any difficulties in learning or practicing Excel, you've come to the right place. Our aim is to turn learning Excel into a simple and enjoyable process. I know you might be looking for ways to learn Excel more effectively. Or perhaps you've already learned some, but find it hard to put it into practice, right? That's your pain point for today, isn't it? The good news is, our Excel online course is here to solve this problem. This is a comprehensive and practical course that will help you learn and master all the important functionalities of Excel. It's not just about academic theories, more importantly, it takes you into real practice scenarios to help you apply Excel skills in practice. Here's an example from our course. You have an Excel worksheet that contains sensitive information, such as employee salaries or personal details. You do not want your team members or clients to see when you provide reports, or when colleagues pass by your desk. For privacy reasons, you wish to be able to hide certain rows, columns, or some cell values. You can do this by applying a custom number format. Now, let's see how to do it. Hide a column. First, select a column. Second, right-click the selected column and choose Hide. Here, you can see a double line between two columns as an indicator that you have hidden a column. So, how to unhide a column? Double-click to unhide the double line where the hidden column is located. Now, hide cell values. First, select the cell or cell range that contains the values you want to hide. Second, press the shortcut Ctrl+1 and open the Format Cells dialog box. Third, on the Number tab, click Custom. In the Type box, type 3 semicolons. Click OK. Now note here the selected cells will appear blank on the worksheet, but a value appears in the formula bar when you click one of the cells to display the hidden cell values. First, select the cell. Second, remove the 3 semicolons, and the content will return. Then click OK. This is simply amazing. Now, let's hear from Leo, who is one of our students. Leo had been struggling with learning and applying Excel. He found that he spent a lot of time learning Excel, but it was always difficult to put into practice. Then he found our course, and in just a few weeks, his Excel skills had improved significantly. Now, he is no longer afraid to use Excel, but sees it as a powerful tool to help him work more efficiently. That's the power of our course, and we believe that if you are willing to put in the effort, you can also, like Leo, make Excel a powerful tool for you through our course. So, if you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so that they too can benefit from our content. Finally, I want to end this video with a clear call to action. If you're tired of the confusion and frustration in learning Excel, now is the time to act. No more staring at the screen helplessly, but turning Excel into your secret weapon. Through our Excel online course, you can start achieving this goal. Remember, learning is a marathon, not a sprint. Continuous learning and practice is the key to success. Our course will guide you step by step towards success. So, let's start this journey together. Please click the link below to check out our course, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful Excel information. We look forward to moving forward on this learning journey together with you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Remember to subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family. Have a great day.